Welcome to the next instalment of One Graph in 1 minute. Today's topic is on the 21st century gold rush. The yellow shiny metal has been around since 2400 BC, when the Egyptians discovered it. Its relationship with wealth creation is long and well documented, most famously in the mid-1800s when it was discovered in California. Gold has played an important role in the global financial system throughout history, perhaps none more so than in the late 1800s and early 1900s, when the gold standard was the basis for the international monetary system. The two world wars pushed and pulled the viability of the gold standard into question when developed nations struggled to finance the wars. In 1971, the Bretton Woods Agreement was dissolved by President Nixon, ending international convertibility of the US dollar into gold. Why? Well, the US had a negative balance of payments, growing public debt, and high inflation. Does that all sound familiar? Since then, the price of gold has ebbed and flowed, but broadly in an upwards direction. Interestingly, over the past 10 years, the price of gold has often spiked around periods when news stories about gold have also spiked, as seen on the graph in the orange lines. However, more recently, the price of the yellow metal has risen, despite news stories declining, as represented by the green line. Why might this be? Remarkably, no one can put a precise finger on it. Certainly higher public debt in the US and ongoing concerns about inflation are playing a part. But these are not new developments in markets. Stranger still, there has been a notable lack of inflows into gold ETFs. One reason may lie in the Far East Asia, where both Japanese and Chinese central banks are reportedly buying gold. With the yuan and the yen being continually devalued, you can see why investors there might want to own gold. Throw in recently heightened geopolitics, and gold's rise seems more plausible. In our risk-controlled multi-asset portfolios, we have allocated to gold, believing it plays a useful role in providing downside protection.